Hi everyone, Angela here. Guess what came in the mail today a day early? doTERRA holiday items. I'm so excited. So instead of me opening them up and freaking out by myself, I thought I would open them up with all of you and share in the excitement. So I'm doing the super unsafe thing, using open scissors in front of a camera and not paying any attention to really what I'm doing. Okay, there we go. But I'm so excited. So I did not get all of the holiday items, but I definitely got a lot of them, and then of course some products that I just have to have. So I don't know if you can see the size of this box, but I cashed in a ton of my loyalty reward points from the past year. And so I have just so much stuff to share with you guys, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna move the camera down a little bit so you can see with me. doTERRA packs so fast. They shipped so quickly. This is a day ahead of time, and I'm just so excited. Okay, we're just gonna go through, just start at the top, I guess. Okay, if you don't know me, you don't know that I'm in love with the doTERRA drops. So they have the On Guard drops. I bought 3 packages of these to stock up. These are so great to help like immune boosting. I also like the flavor, and I eat these kind of like candy. But you know, it's not as bad as candy. I also have the Breathe drops, which help with, of course, you know, respiratory issues. I got 2 packages of those. And these are all free because they were all with my loyalty points. I also got the ginger digestive drops. I've never tried these before, but they have ginger and lemon essential oils. And so I'm really excited to see how that is. You know, how these go, how they taste, because I figure, you know, ginger candy is like a thing, so give it a go. And then, oh my gosh, okay, I'm so excited. I don't even know where to start. Okay, here are the Lava Rock diffusers. There are 2 in a package, and I got 2 sets. So that is so exciting. Here, oh my gosh, yes, I got 2. I did pay for those. I got 2 wild orange 15 milliliters. Did not pay for those. So if you are not a member, a wholesale member, or a wellness advocate, and you don't use LRP orders, which is like monthly processing, you need to, because you get so many points back. It's insane. At this point, I'm like 25% back in points for all of my monthly purchases. So it's like so worth it. This is like $300 worth of retail product that I got for free this month, you guys. Some sample jars, because I need to be sharing the word with all of you. Ooh, the On Guard toothpaste. I've never tried this before, so I'm really excited. I know, you know, On Guard is such a powerful blend that they have the products like across everything. And so the toothpaste is one that I haven't tried before, so I thought it's free, so I might as well. It's free because of, you know, the LRP. Okay, these sold out, but I got 3 of the, if you can even see it, probably not, there it is, Serenity linen blends. I used to make my own because the Serenity blend is so blissful. Like, it smells so great, and these are so pillow sprays. Got 3 of them. These are the holiday items, sold out, but I did hear a rumor that they'll be back December 1st. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, here it is, the holiday essential oil. This is rose gold. Not like real, but I think just like colored. But it's a case, and I don't even know how many it holds. I should have paid attention to that. Anyways, here, I'll open it up for you guys. I need my scissors. I lost them. They're underneath the pile of the pile of goodies over there. Okay, here's the case. You can see it. Oh, I'm so excited. Yes, look at that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it holds 16 bottles, 15 milliliter bottles at the bottom, and then up here, 1, 2, 3, 6 roller ball jars. So that's incredible, and it's cute, perfect for travel. Oh my gosh, I'm like out of breath, and there's still so much more. Okay, so in here, let's see what these are. Oh, I think these are just larger. Yep, these are 5 milliliter bottles, so just samples, for samples or for mixing smaller blends. That's so great. Oh, the digestive tabs. So digest tabs. This has the digest zen, and then it's mixed with calcium carbonate. So like Tums. I did a whole different video about this product because I just live for it. Like, it's so amazing. Tastes great, and it's so soothing on the tummy when you are having any kind of tummy issues. Back to On Guard. These are the soft gels. Once again, not paying for these. These are my LRP gifts, or like I cashed in the points. So I take one of these a day, and if I start to feel sick or if the boys are sick, I pop 2 at least twice a day. This is, there's 60 in a container, and so this lasts me quite some time. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, peppermint beadlets, right? These are, I keep them at my desk and in my purse, just to help if I have bad breath or if I need something like instead of a sweet, then I just grab one of these and it's refreshing. If I'm having bad allergies, I pop one of these. They're just like little tiny soft gels. There are like 125 in a container. Very potent stuff, but I go through it like crazy. Okay, and here I have 2 little, okay, this is the Tamer. This is the digestive blend. Sorry, you guys can't see that. Digestive blend for kids, or like calming blend. And then here, oh my gosh, yes, this is the white grapefruit. This was the product of the month. I got this for free because I purchased, I don't know, $120 worth of like the holiday items. So yay, I'm excited to try that. Okay, let's see here. Okay, this is the Family Essentials Kit. You can see in here, it has lavender, lemon, peppermint, brie, the deep blue, melaleuca, frankincense, oregano, let's see, Digest Zen, and On Guard. So it has, there, it has all of that in here, and this is such a great starter pack. So again, I got this for free because I used my LRP points. Okay, we're getting down to the end, guys. Okay, this is the Mito 2 Max. This is like an energy and stamina supplement. They say, I think they say you can take 3 a day. Serving size 2 capsules, and I think you can take it twice a day. 2 capsules daily with food. Refrain from using before you nap or go to sleep. Yeah, I take 1 in the morning just when I'm getting ready on certain days where I'm like, I need a little extra oomph, and it's amazing. There are 60, I believe, there's 60 veggie caps in here, and it's amazing. I don't even know what kind of stuff it has in it. Yeah. Something you need to look into. I read into it once and thought, that's amazing. Tried it. This is only my 2nd bottle. I don't use it all that frequently, but it definitely helps give a boost. So the deep blue soft gels, I've never tried these. This is the first time we're getting them, so we'll see how they are, but they are supposed to be like a replacement for Tylenol or ibuprofen. So anytime you're having aches and muscle pains, they say, you know, go for the deep blue soft gel. So we'll see how well those work. Okay, I don't even know what could possibly be in here, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at that. Okay, it's the On Guard mouthwash. Got it all in my mouth. Wow, it's like a heavy duty bottle. It's beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm not sure how it will taste, but you know, I think our mouths are so important. There's so many germs and bacteria and stuff growing in there that I thought might as well try this since we all use mouthwash anyways. And it was free, so we'll give it a go. Okay, here it is, guys. This is finally like towards the end of the box. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I got some more labels because I always need labels for everything that I make. And then this little trio here. This is the last holiday item. And let's see if I can even get it out. Yes, I have 3 oils. So this is the Balance Roller Blend. This is the Serenity Roller Blend. And the last one here, the Helichrysum or whatever. So these are so cute, and what an adorable little gift tin too. So perfect. Can't get it back on. Okay, well, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching me open my huge box of goodies. I'm sure some of these will be gifted to some of my family and friends. So sorry if you saw your Christmas present early, but I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, so thank you guys. Put comments below with any questions you have, or if you're looking to get any of these products. Like I said, they are going to be restocking again December 1, along with a couple other holiday items, which we'll be talking about in future videos. Okay, so thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.